In this video, I'll give you an up-close look at the Lume Cube LCD Light Panel 1 from Lume Cube. This is not going to be a review, it's just an up-close look of what you can expect if you buy one of these. It has the diffuser on. I'll go ahead and pop that off. There's your light panel. I will turn it on in a minute. Here's what the sides look like. It's very thin. It's about the size of an iPhone. You've got some outputs and two inputs. This is the output. These are the two inputs. And a tripod mount. It does rattle. Can't really hear it. But these switches are aluminum. There we go. And they rattle, which is fine. I'd rather them be aluminum and rattle than plastic. Down here on the bottom, it labels what you've got. 5 volt in, 5 volt in, and then the one on the end here is 5 volt out, in case you want to use it as a charger. This panel is screwed together, these little screws. And let's go ahead and fire it up. So you push and hold, and it will kick on. It tells you how much remaining battery, also how many remaining minutes, 4000K. You can crank it up. I guess that is the highest. You gotta hold it, I guess. Oh, that's the up and down. So I can come all the way down to 5%, up and down on the brightness. And I can hit this once and switch it to, let's see, I don't even know how high it goes, 56,000 or 5600K. It's just super white all the way down. I find that 4000 is a pretty natural color, but it'll go all the way down to, your guess is as good as mine, 3200. Anyway, I'll shut it off so I can just give you the rest of the view. Bottom, here's the other side. I think I already showed you that. Here's the panel. It's kind of laser etched, it looks like. It looks like this would be the raw aluminum color. And then, of course, this is the black coating on the outside. And the screen has some kind of reflection-free matte coating on it, or fingerprint-proof coating on it. Pretty high resolution little screen, it appears. And once again, here's the front panel. The glass is just slightly raised. It's hard to tell there. Very similar to a phone. Anyway, that's what it looks like up close. If this helps you make a buying decision, that is really great. Hit that subscribe button and give me a thumbs up. Thanks so much for watching. Please subscribe.